Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through the most stress-free way to get started with Binance. First off, let's jump right into how you can sign up for a Binance account. You'll want to go ahead and click the link I've provided in the description or the comments section right below this video. Now, here's a little bonus for you. If you access the site through that specific link, you're actually going to receive a 50% fee payback and a $600 rewards package all at the same time. Once you're on the page, let's get that account created. You can proceed with signing up using either your email address or your mobile phone. Simply enter the email you'd like to use and take a quick second to check the terms and conditions agreement at the bottom. Once that's done, go ahead and click Continue. Next, a 6-digit verification code will be sent immediately to the email or mobile phone you just entered. Go ahead and check your messages, then enter that code into the boxes. Click Continue. After that, you'll need to set your password. Remember, for your security, this must be at least 8 characters long and include at least one number and one uppercase letter. And just like that, your account creation is complete. If an inviter code entry screen happens to appear, just make sure the code is in there and finish your signup. Now that your account is born, let's move right along to the KYC identity verification. This is a super important step because you actually must complete KYC to be able to deposit, withdraw, or do any trading on the platform. Since this part includes a live facial scan, we're going to continue the process right on your mobile phone to make things easier. Go ahead and install and launch the Binance app on your smartphone. When you log in with the account you just created, the app will usually take you immediately to the verification screen. First, you'll confirm your nationality and then choose an ID card to proceed with the verification. Whether you decide to use national ID, a driver's license, or even your passport. It's all usually processed within about 5 minutes. When you're ready, select Take Pictures as your method for submitting the photos and click Continue. You'll want to take a clear, well-lit photo of both the front and the back of your ID, making sure it fits perfectly within the camera frame. After that, just fit your face into the oval frame on the screen and follow the little on-screen instructions. Once you finish that facial scan, just confirm your additional personal info, like your name, date of birth, and address, then click Continue. From there, select your occupation and click Continue, and finally pick your industry and hit Continue one last time. The review generally takes about 5 minutes, and you can easily verify that your KYC is complete by checking your profile screen. With your identity verified, our final priority is locking down your security by setting up two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA. For this part, let's return to your PC screen. Look at the left-hand menu. Click on Security under the Account section, and then click Manage right next to the Authenticator app option. When you click on Enable Authenticator app, a quick verification code will be sent to your email or phone just to verify it's you. Enter that code and a QR code window will pop up on your monitor. Just leave that screen as it is for a moment, and let's go back to your phone to download the Google Authenticator app. Once the installation is finished, open the app, tap Get Started, and for extra security, I recommend clicking Use without signing in. Then simply click the Add a Code button in the middle and select Scan a QR code. When you scan that QR code on your PC screen, a 6-digit OTP code for Binance will be instantly generated on your phone. Now, go back to Binance on your computer, click Next, enter that 6-digit numeric code from the app, and hit Submit. You can now see that your Google OTP is officially activated and your account is secure. You're all set up and ready to start your crypto journey on Binance. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.